Let's talk about GraphQL resolver arguments. Each resolver function will have 4 arguments. The first one is parent. This is the root value. I'll talk more about the root value in the later videos. The args option, you can also provide the arguments. Let's say I'm going to provide the argument here. It should be message, and the type of the message variable is string, and I'm gonna set it to required. This exclamation sign means it's a required property. You must need to provide the message variable, and I'm also going to make this string. The return type of this hello is string, and it is required property. So string, you must need to return the string. Let's say, let me refresh the browser. Now you will see the message field hello argument message type of the string is required but not provided. So we need to provide the message here, hello GraphQL. Now you can use this message. Let's say I'm going to return the same message. How can you get the arguments? You can use this args.message. Now you will see the hello GraphQL. Let's say at this time I'm going to send the different message, hello GraphQL here. Now you will see this message. So what about the context? This object is used to share the properties or object to multiple resolvers. If you will have a multiple resolvers, the same context will be available to each resolver function. So let's say I'm going to add a context object here. Let's say I'm going to add the current user property. Let's say it's a logged in user. I'm going to save the ID of the user. Let's say it's 1. So I can get the context here. Let's log the context. Context.user. It will log the user object. Let me send the request. Boom. You will see this 1 here. You can see that context.user. So this is how the context is very useful property. You can add the models here. Let's say if I will have the mongoose model, I will add into the context. What about the info? This is raw data from the GraphQL abstract syntax tree. Let's log the info here. I'm gonna log it here. Info, it will tell you the GraphQL request. Let's send the request. Here is a long object. Field name is hello. It will tell you the metadata. It is going to give us the metadata, field node, and the kind of field, alias, undefined, arguments is an array, stuff like that. Parent type is query, GraphQL schema. All this stuff is available for you.